Good morning, guys. My last video, you saw where I was cutting out the door at the end of the hallway on the house. Now I've got a few windows to cut out. I'm trying to get a lot of this stuff done before winter actually gets here. We're definitely in fall. It's 40s at night, 60s during the day, so it's not gonna be long, and it'll be getting cold out here. So I'm trying to get this stuff cut out and then closed off so I can do some work in here during the winter. Come springtime, I want to get ready to start chinking the house and start working on finishing stuff on the inside. So now I'm getting set up in here to do start with the bedroom window. I've got to cut up some more stuff for door bucks to add one more door, but now I'm getting ready to cut this window out. So just like on the door, I'm marking it with the laser. That seemed to work out pretty good. Turn the light on in here. So now I made a quick little stand just to hold the laser on. This laser works great, by the way. I bought a different one and it didn't work so good, but this one does a good job. So now I'm going to set this thing up right quick, scoot it around, mark my lines, I have some scaffolding outside that I have to move, get it out of the way, and then get the chainsaw, start cutting another big hole. Well, I got the bulk of it out of the way. Now I can come back and move the ladder over there and do a little trimming. A little trimming ought to be okay. All right, that's got this window pretty much wrapped up. I need one more lag bolt. I ran out. I'll have to go to the building supply place and get some more because I still have a couple more windows and a door to do. So I'm gonna need quite a few more. So I'll run and get those in the morning. Everybody's closed today. It's time to go collect all the eggs and make sure I still have a pig there and start wrapping things up. I got to get all this cleaned up. It's a mess. So this one was kind of a pain. I don't know why. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not, I guess. But I got this one done. Now we can get the bedroom window installed and move on to the next little project. April decided to buy some Americana chicks, and we have had a broody hen here, and she's adopted them. She's been sitting up in the nest box for at least a month, and she's not laying any eggs. She's just sitting there. So I took a gamble one night, stuck her down here with the chicks to see if she would take them, and sure enough she did, and now she protects them just like they're hers. She's had them for about a week now. So we'll have 6 new Americanas laying eggs for us, pretty blue eggs. So I think I'm going to call it a day and pick up the rest of these eggs and do a little cleanup. If you remember back in the fall, I hatched out a bunch of Americana and white Cochin cross in the incubator, and they're starting to lay pretty regular now, and we're getting these real pretty olive colored eggs. It's the first olive colored eggs I've had here. Had a bunch of blue and some kind of mint green, but these are the first olive, so it just adds a little bit more color to the basket.